What's up YouTube? It's Jason here from redbeelabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and want to see unboxings, first impressions, the latest tech news, and everything in between, start by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. Okay, it's finally here. I have been listening to so many people tell me that they've got their Surface Duos and I'm just waiting, and oh my gosh, I finally got mine. I heard the little doorbell and I ran down, snatched it up, and here we go, guys. I'm about to do the unboxing for you. All right, so let's get into this, guys. Whew. I had to get the trusty unboxing knife. Let me get it again. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna lift her up a little bit. I have been so excited about this all day long. I've been looking at some reviews online and stuff, and I want to get here and I want to just get in here so I can give you my own personal. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's hiding in there. I'm gonna put my trusted unboxing knife over here and I'm gonna pull her out. Ooh, let me put this over here. Oh, look at that. The box is nice. Android. Oh, man. Okay. So let's get this. Gotta get the box back. Unboxing knife back. And I just wanna pop a little something over there. I don't wanna mess with the box or anything. Okay. Let's see if that can get us. Oh, yes it can. All right. That good. Plastic off of here. Put this trash over there. All right. We are going to open her. This is the first open from redbeelabs. Boom, and there she is. Whew. Just so freaking light, man. So freaking light. All right, I'm gonna put it right here for a sec. What we got in the box? All right, just nothing like that. Surface Duo bumper, specifically designed to protect your device. Now, I am going to show you the bumper, but I'm probably not going to use it because why would I do that? This is nice. It's nice. It's got a little tape in there and it attaches to it and protects your device. Nice little, I guess, case that Microsoft wanted to ship off to us. But again, I like my devices naked, so I probably won't even be using it. All right, what is this? So you got your SIM ejection tool and all that wonderful documentation that comes with it. You know, we gotta love that. Gotta love the documentation. Okay, under here. Boom. Okay. Oh, black cable. Like it. USB-C to USB-C. Nice. Very nice. And this must be the charging brick. Snuck it on the other side. Man, guys, I've been excited about this device all day. Just waiting. It's your normal little brick. And we're not special. We don't get like a little Microsoft logo in there. All right, put the box over here and onto the device. Oh my goodness, it is so nice. But listen, we're gonna do that first cut. Ooh, that glass was really good, guys. So my first impression is this device. I mean, I went to AT&T and I checked it out, but you know, it was in a busy store. It was, you know, I wasn't really comfortable with it. I was just trying to get a video to show you guys, but I'm at home, I'm relaxed, I'm comfortable. I know this isn't full of other people's fingerprints and diseases but this looks so nice. That hinge, when you open her up, boom, look at that. Look how thin that is. It's like, oh, look at that. All right, I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna power it on. There you go. Okay, hello. So, English, of course. Searching for Wi-Fi. Add my network. Let me slide it off for a second, guys. I'll go ahead and put this in. Oh, this keyboard is nice. Okay, obtaining the IP address. And next. Okay, so it's checking for updates. Oh, as we all thought, there is a first day update. So let me go next. Okay, the update is done. I didn't know it was gonna take that long, but I mean, I guess it was needed. So we're back here. I'm gonna do this again. So continue. I'm already connected. And this is where we left off. Oh, back up from an Android phone. Open the Google app on your other phone. Okay, hold on guys. Let me go get my other phone real quick. All right, open the Google app on your old phone. That is the shapes. Verify your phone. Find this name on your old device. Okay guys, let me put that password in. Okay, all accounts have been put in. And one more time. Here we go. I want it all. So restore. Just gonna restore in just a sec. And I will fast forward this. Oh, hold on. We're gonna check out what's next. Okay. I agree. Of course she can already do my voice. That's all yes. I definitely want her to back up. I don't want me to sign into my Microsoft account. I will do that. All right, guys, let me put it in really quick. Okay, now it is asking me for some privacy settings. Say yes. Use local weather, yes. Keep your memories, back up my photos at OneDrive. Absolutely not. Keep your contacts in sync with Outlook. I'll do it, it's fine. Now protect it. Let me put a super secure pin in here. Okay. It's confirming that. Now is the fingerprint. Okay, so place your thumb or index finger on the fingerprint reader. Oh, here we go. All right. It is getting every little morsel of finger, huh? All right, guys, we're almost done. Perfect. Fingerprint added. All right, now she's just gonna do some finishing touches. And I guess the rest of it will just download in the background. But I must say, just using it right now with setting it up, it seems really snappy. The keyboard was nice. Of course, you're not gonna give it some really rigorous use and everything to get awesome reviews for you guys. But I mean, so far I can say it's been good. But like I said, it's only been, what, like 10 minutes? Okay, now we are going to learn how to use it. Getting started with your Surface Duo. Go to the home screen. Go back. Nice. See your open apps and slide up there. Okay. Move an app between the screens. You swipe up from behind. Those good gestures. Okay. Maximize. Okay. Oh, that's how you do the full screen. Very nice. You're all set. That's what I want to hear. All set. Boom. I'm going to use, of course, the Microsoft one right now. Anyway. Oh, it really messed up my screen protector. Sorry, guys. That's bright and ugly looking. I'll have to get that fixed. Thank you. It fixed it for itself. All right. But, oh, look at this. Look at the fluidity. All right. They have 2 apps just already done. So let me just put those up. Oh, nice. Choose the account. Probably cut this out. Okay. And we can go to learn. Oh, those are nice. Get into my both screens. Very nice. Drop and drag. Well, of course I want to. I'm gonna sync, share my data. We got it anyway. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, look at this, is so small. People are saying it's so big. It fits in my hand perfectly. Pull it out, unlock it. Oh, that fingerprint reader was quick. Throw it back. Very nice, very nice. All right, guys, I am gonna go play with this. Play it a lot and get you a good full review of everything. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to test out for you, what you want me to do. Just anything you want me to pair up together, apps you want to see side by side. Just anything that you can think of that you want me to do to this device, let me know, except for any drop testing or destroying it. I will not do any of that. Okay guys, if you found value in this video and you're not yet a subscriber, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. Also, smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video. You'd be the awesome person that just makes my day. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.